what's up everybody? So I've got a 2009 M109 here that we're putting the hydraulic clutch kit on from Donnie out of Australia, and I apologize, I have no clue how to pronounce his last name. So this is just going to be a quick review, trying to get that light. Quick review of the install. It wasn't too bad. Pros and cons. Already the pros, and I haven't taken the bike out yet, so I'm sure there's going to be some adjusting that I need to do. But currently I have everything hooked up and it's bled. And I believe I have everything done correctly. If I don't, I'm sure somebody will let me know. Right off of the bat, the clutch already feels a whole lot better than the stock one. Like, it takes less pressure. And rebound is smooth. And this bike has a brand new clutch kit in it as well, from Suzuki. So we got fresh clutch plates, a fresh clutch pack in it, and along with this hydraulic kit. So I'm excited to take it out and test it. We'll go with, so that's a pro. Install wasn't too bad, I didn't think. But one of the cons is the box didn't come with directions. It's pretty self-explanatory. You're just going off of the stock. You're following the stock cable down through, or at least that's what I did. And then, you know, the other con is, if you look, now you have two reservoirs, one on each side, which probably the pro of not having the ease of use is probably going to outweigh that. So it fills up the handlebar a little more, but that's not a big deal. And then down here, you can see the aftermarket cylinder right here. So that's part of the kit right there. You just pop two bolts off, pop this bracket off, which holds your stock system in, and then you replace it with a supplied bracket. And the only other thing, this in here, some people might not have to take it off. I had to take it off, so a little bit of a learning experience for me. But overall, I'm impressed with the kit. Super clean, and obviously comes with a braided line. So the other thing I like about this kit, and this is Mr. Harris pointed this out to me. This kit, the electrical part right here is plug in and play. So Donnie's kit comes in, you just unplug the old one and screw in the new one, and you're good to go. It's pretty simple to install. So everything's pretty much a direct replacement, which is nice. And obviously you got the quality braided line going with it, and the slave cylinder down here looks pretty decent. The only thing I will say is the spindle. That spindle right here seems a bit small, but it's not moving side to side, it's just moving up and down. So mechanical advantage, it's probably going to be all right. And I'm sure these kits are tried and true. So by no means, I don't know enough about these kits. This is the first one that I've installed for someone. This is just a first impression, but I'm pretty impressed, and I'm excited to see how it rides. And I have another one coming up, and hopefully we can help Donnie out and these kits prove themselves. The concept is nice. You don't have to worry about a cable breaking, nothing like that. So that makes it a lot nicer. And obviously pulling the clutch handle, if you're somebody that uses the clutch a lot, it makes it so much easier. Even without taking it out, I can already tell that the action is different, takes less pressure to pull it, and it just feels a lot smoother. So I'm excited to try it. Thanks for watching.